was a real honor for me to be able to do that. So the year previous to me speaking, I was selected as one of 100 women who were considered the top female entrepreneurs in the UK. I
Hmm.
was featured in Forbes magazine, and I think it was just really what I was saying earlier about using every opportunity to maximize your potential. But when I was selected with them, I was part of that group for a year. And then every year they select another 100 people. So I did my year and I did the best I could. And then the following year, I was invited to speak to the new 100 women who were selected and to tell them about my journey and how I felt. So we had this event at the House of Lords, and we had some MPs who were present and politicians, and it was just, it was really an honor to be given this opportunity from iEntrepreneur. They work closely with the government and do a lot of things to help business owners, small business owners, but they also recognize female entrepreneurs. Um, After doing that, they also gave me my own slot on a show similar to what you're doing, but obviously yours is mainstream, mine isn't. Mine is on social media, on Facebook. We do a Facebook Live every Wednesday where I interview other entrepreneurs and talk about their business journeys. But when I delivered my speech at the House of Lords, it was talking about how people who have just achieved this massive success of being within the F entrepreneur community, and how they could maximize their potential and how they could go further to the next level, and how to use and manifest opportunities for themselves. For every single opportunity that comes your way, as I said earlier, it's another springboard to the next thing that you're planning to do.
So, what time do you come on every Wednesday is it Facebook?
Yeah, it's 10 o'clock in the morning
That's UK
in
time.
UK time. But because it's on Facebook, it's available to see, throughout. Once it's there, it's there.
So for viewers worldwide who would like to join in and be one of your followers and your supporters,
Yeah.
they can just, what do they click in on? What's the name of the Facebook?
It's called so the one that I run, the program is called Sarah Meets, and it's just where
Sarah
I meet different
Meets.
meets. Yeah, like I